Okay people, this is the 57 Vise wall. I have got 8 more that's not in this picture. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 everyday users and 3 that are just shit I don't want to put in it. Alright, okay, let's move on to some close-ups. And a couple of the missing ones are the recent record 110 steel, the big old Fortis, I use that weekly, record 23 quick release, I use that every other day. The number 3 that come in the other day for 30 quid, I didn't put that in because I'm turning that around and getting rid of it. And the number 6 record, that ain't in the picture because it's too fucking heavy to move. And last but not least, definitely not least, this 5-inch generic that was given to me by someone I used to work with. It was a little bit seized where it hadn't been used, but I use it daily. It gets smashed, bashed, ground on, everything, and it's still going. I didn't actually realise I'd get round to finishing this Vise wall off so quickly, otherwise I wouldn't have released the halfway one. But it's done now. Next thing will be the American tool wall. Now I've got some space. I've cleared about 2 benches doing the Vises, so I've got some space. I can lay things out and get on with the American tool wall. Right, that's all. You know what I'm going to say, don't you? I'm going to say bye for now. Like, comment, subscribe, share, whatever. Have a beer. Have a good week. Bye for now.